This 2024 East to West Entrada Class C 2200S is a Class C RV. It is located in Lexington, South Carolina, 29072 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Columbia. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 23 feet 10 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Front Dinette. This 2024 East to West Entrada Class C 2200S is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.